Hey everyone, it's Michael. This is part 3, video 3 of my 2023 Folio series video playlist, I guess. I've already shown you the Chanel folio made with the Chanel collection, and then I did Rose and Mint collection. This folio is also folio 1. But this folio, I used the Suculentas collection from Arte Facil Artesanato. And I love this collection. You know, I say this about everything. So before I take you through the book, let me take you through the collection. So this is a 10-sheet collection with the cover sheet. So that's 11 sheets. There is a sticker sheet. There is a companion collection called Cactus, which I'll also show you. I believe that's 5 or 6 sheets. There's also chipboard and some buttons. So this is a really nice collection to do like a mini album for a gardener or someone that loves succulents and cactus or any of that. The colors are, it's not just feminine. This is also a masculine. Got some blues and some light purples and greens. The cover sheet, again, you can use all of these as belly bands or closures in the book. This is the back of page 1. So you have this, oh, I never remember the name of this, Cactus. This is page 1. That was the cover sheet. This is page 1. So you have these big, it's kind of like the greenish, yellow, some green over here, almost like a peachy color here. I don't know if the colors are picking up at this hour. This side, you have a mint green mixed in with the cactus, the succulents, succulents. Here is another one with all the succulents. And then this side, which is more greenish blue. But then again, I am colorblind, so it may not be greenish blue. Page 3, so you have this over here. Again, this would be great for a slimline up here. And then this is the reverse side. So you have some succulents with the, which way does this go? Looks upside down, but it's not. Okay. Page 4, I love this. It kind of looks like it would be great as a puzzle, you know, succulent puzzle. And then on this side, same thing. I would love to do this as a puzzle. It would drive people mad, though. This is page 5. You got some more blues coming in here. Again, like I said, it could be masculine or feminine. Perfect for a gardener. Love this page because you could do a card using this corner. I know it's scrapbook paper, but I'm a card maker first. So you could do a card using this corner. You could do a card using this corner. I mean, this fussy cut and 3D'd would be perfect. Has this watercolorish kind of wash here on the back. Then this is the reverse side. This is one of those big ones, perfect for scrapbooking. And then this side just says succulents over and over. Page 7. And this is the back. This is another sheet that I just love. I just adore this corner here. You know, for a card. This has kind of got like a distressed modeled look here on the back. Then you have this side. Perfect for slimline or for A2. Page 9 is some journaling cards. And I really like this because like the Chanel one, the stickers were all in Portuguese. Even though some of these are in Portuguese, others are left blank, which is really cool. I think because this would be great as a photo mat for a photo on the other side. Or even this, you can literally put a photo here and have the the top and the bottom act as like the base. And then this side is beautiful. It's this kind of like distressed watercolor wash look. Page 10 is the cut apart page. So when I started when I started using this brand in the very beginning, they didn't do collections like this. Excuse me. And these cut apart pages are new. But they're really getting in, they're really seeing what's going on in Europe and the United States with some of these other paper collections. And this I used on the front of my folio here. I'll show you. But you could put this into a silhouette or scan and cut and have it cut if you don't want a fussy cut. But they're not difficult to fussy cut. And then this is the other side, which is this more masculine wash. These are the two next to each other. So that's the Succulent collection. Now the Cactus collection, this is, I believe there are 5 or 6 here. I don't have all the sheets, but the Cactus is obviously all cactus. It's a darker collection. There's a lot of black in this collection, which I do like. I didn't incorporate any of the cactus in with the Succulent, but I think I'm going to make a folio using just the cactus. So this is page 4. And this is page 3. Because you could use them together. Succulents and cactus go perfectly together. This is page 2, and you know what that's good for. And then this is cactus and succulents. Nature, my plants. So this is page 1. So we're back to and I love this page. It's great for a background. And then this is the adhesive for the cactus collection, not for the succulent, but you could use it in conjunction. And then this is the chipboard that they came out with to go with the collection. So you're getting 3 chipboard pieces. And this would be very easy, like if you wanted to use one of the watercolor washes, you know, like this, you could just trace this around and then just cut it. You could put some glue in here and use different colored green micro beads or something. That would be kind of cool. And then these are these little buttons, but without the pin on the back. This is great as a closure, using a magnet to keep this closed as a closure. Although they are these 2 are in Portuguese, these aren't, but who's going to notice, you know? So that's the collections. Let me just quickly take you through the folio. This one I did not use a magnet. I did not round the corners, so that gives a different look to it. The cover, I fussy cut that piece from the cut apart page, and I made a little photo mat to go in here. I will be honest, I don't like this idea. I think if I had to redo this, I would just maybe leave it like this or put a frame of some sort on the front, maybe like a Polaroid. And then the back is this other one with the big, bold succulents there. Opening it up like the other ones. So over here, just have that pocket. This one, unlike the other 2, I used 2 different sheets of paper. I did not use one design here. And then I have here 2 photo mats. Here in the center is the waterfall. So this uses different parts of the different papers. If you're interested in any of these collections, let me know, because they're really in favor if you're American, because if this collection is probably about $10 US for all 10 sheets. So here I made a pocket again with a couple of, this is one of those journaling cards, and 2 smaller 4x4 Instagram sized cards, photo mats. And then opening this up, we have this full spread here using that part that I loved. And this is perfect for writing something or a photograph here. But if you know someone that is a lover of cactus or succulents, this is a collection for you. So just another way of looking at folio number 1. There are links below to the first 2 folios, and anything of importance will be down below. So I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that like button. I would love it if you would leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the paper collections, the folio idea, and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Anyway, I will talk to you soon. Take care.